The company's name is LMECHN. It is a Earwax removal tool for beginners. When you open up the product, you get everything inside. You get the instruction guide in a multiple number of languages. It is application driven. Check online or check in the manual for the application. AirVision is the name of the app. As we open up, in order to set up the app, on the control, there is a button. We press till we see the blue light, and on the magnifying glass in the center, simply press. AirVision wants to join the network. For the very first time, it's going to ask for a firmware update. Update your firmware for lossless connection. The firmware is updated. Hit the play. The tool is ready to use. As we take the tool and we look into the air canal, you can see there is wax and all. And that is the Earwax tool removal. In the application, you have a record, a mirror image or so, photo, and playback. And you can see what the videos are all about. This is the Earwax tool. It is a very easy to use tool. In the settings of the tool, we have a smart reminder, a locking orientation, and a ringle popper mode. We have a lens calibration. Changing out the blue tip is simply pulling off of the little scooper and then placing right over the metal. It's a silicone little sleeve. Simply slide on and ready to go. You have 6 LEDs, an on and off light, and a red charging light when plugging in to a USB-C cable. By plugging into the bottom, we are charging. This is your Air Tool Kit. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for air cleaning, check online for further details. And this is a demonstration only. Thank you for viewing.